I'm Dr. K.K. Agarwal. I've been asked to tell what a Indian company dealing with medical equipments can do in the country. As on today, we all know that coronary artery disease is maximum prevalence incidence in India. 24 lakh people die because of sudden cardiac death in the country every year. So I personally feel under the CSR activity as well as a commercial activity, the industrialist companies dealing with medical equipments in India should concentrate on the campaign of sudden cardiac death. Specifically, they should promote basic cardiac life support, CPR, CPR10. They should also promote their public access defibrillators. I personally feel that people like Sanjeev Kumar, Amjad Khan, Vinod Mehra should not have died. They all died because the public was not knowing CPR and the access for defibrillator was not available. Only in the airlines today we have access to defibrillators, but when we talk about any mall, any public access hotels, restaurants, trains, buses, when we talk about banquet halls, I personally feel it should be compulsory from the government side to come out with a legislation that, or an advisory at least to start with, that everybody should have an access to a defibrillator, because in India the sudden cardiac death is very, very, very high. Second thing is that most of the people in India die suddenly. Therefore, we must come out with a score to find out what are their chances of sudden death in the next 10 years. We need monitors. We need their heart rate variability. We need their abnormalities in the EKG. We need their echoes, with their symptom score. We must find out what are the chances of a person dying in the future. Whether it is a watch which measures RR variability, which measures your SpO2, which measures your 7 minutes of walk test, it gives you parameters, it gives you exercise tolerance, whether it tells you you're vulnerable arrhythmias. Now these gadgets are now available in the US, but somebody indigenous has to make them so that it is accessible at a cheaper cost to public at large. And I personally also feel is that the homeopaths, the Ayurveds, the nurses should be taught technology. They learn technology like in the, so that prevention of sudden cardiac death program becomes